Today, I wanted to talk to you about productivity hacks. And if you're interested, it's probably because you're overrun with work yourself. So I will keep it brief. So number one is the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule can be summed up like this: to stop yourself over procrastinating. If you get given a task that can be completed in under 2 minutes, do it immediately. Replying to an email, tidying your desk, booking a doctor's appointment. Tick off those small things immediately to be able to concentrate on the bigger issues. So number two is time blocking. Time blocking is when you manage your day by blocking off your calendar for specific tasks instead of working from a long list. Taking away the choices enables you to accomplish more by focusing on one thing at a time. Number three is the 5-minute rule. The 5-minute rule is perfect if you've been procrastinating over a task for ages. Tell yourself that you'll try it for just 5 minutes. Once your 5 minutes are up, the chances are you'll have gotten into the task and you'll be happy to continue it to get the job done. Number four is the daily highlight. Now this is essential for me. Give yourself one thing a day that you have to get done, just one, and make sure you do it. That's it. If you complete one task a day minimum, you'll soon get motivated to smash through the other outstanding items on the list. And finally, number five, theme your days. If you compartmentalize your tasks to different themes, it helps you to keep focus. Feeling organized and prepared goes a long way to making you feel more relaxed and therefore more productive. So there we have it, my top 5 productivity hacks. If you have any other ideas, feel free to leave them in a comment below. Thanks for watching.